Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into an issue that's literally out of this world: space debris and its growing threat to scientific satellites. As satellite production ramps up, so does the amount of space junk orbiting our planet, posing serious risks to vital space missions. Scientific satellites like Aqua, Terra, and Aura are crucial for climate and environmental monitoring. These satellites are equipped with advanced sensors that gather data invisible to the human eye, such as infrared radiation. This information is indispensable for tracking natural disasters and aiding emergency responses. However, these satellites face a pressing danger from the mounting debris in Earth's orbit, made up of discarded satellite parts, old rockets, and other abandoned equipment. According to the European Space Agency, large debris pieces have ballooned from 16,000 in 2005 to over 44,000 projected by 2026. Even tiny fragments, like paint chips, can pose catastrophic risks. To avoid collisions, satellites are often forced to perform evasive maneuvers, consuming valuable fuel and reducing their operational lifespan. The implications of space debris aren't just technical. They're economic too. Insurance companies like Relm Insurance are hiking up satellite insurance costs due to these elevated risks. The fuel-intensive maneuvers not only drain resources but can also result in data losses, leading to gaps in critical climate research data. This hampers global efforts to combat climate change effectively. To tackle these challenges, new solutions are being explored. Innovations include technologies designed to clean up space, like satellites capable of capturing debris and safely bringing it back into Earth's atmosphere for destruction. Some private companies are also developing next-generation satellites with enhanced capabilities for monitoring fires and disasters, boosting emergency response effectiveness. With space debris continuing to rise, scientific satellites face formidable challenges that threaten their essential roles. Addressing this global issue calls for comprehensive solutions, including international cooperation and technological innovation, ensuring space remains a vital scientific resource for future generations. Subscribe to Science Hub for more fascinating science stories.